These are the 100 notes on the order of operations. The order of operations has 4 steps. First, you're going to take care of your parentheses and other grouping symbols. Next, you'll take care of your exponents. Third, your multiplication and division, whatever comes first from left to right. And fourth, addition and subtraction from left to right. Let's look at an example. Here we have the absolute value of -5 plus 4 times 6 minus 12 divided by 3, all to the third power. The first thing we are going to do is take care of our parentheses and other grouping symbols. So now we'll have the absolute value of -5 becomes 5, and within our parentheses we still have to follow the order of operations. The multiplication and division will come before any addition and subtraction. So we'll actually take 12 divided by 3 to get 4, and we'll rewrite everything else to keep it organized. The next step is to take 6 minus 4, and we would get 2. So we took care of everything inside of the parentheses, and we took care of our other grouping symbols, which would be our absolute value. Next, we need to take care of any exponents. We have 2 to the third power, so that will become 8. So now we have 5 plus 4 times 8. Multiplication and division always come before addition and subtraction. So the next step would be taking 4 times 8 to get 32. Finally, we will add 32 plus 5 to get a final answer of 37. There are some things that you want to make sure that you do not forget when using the order of operations. First of all, remember that absolute value symbols are included with parentheses. They should be simplified first. You also need to remember that for addition and subtraction, as well as multiplication and division, go from left to right, whichever comes first. So if you have in your order of operations addition and subtraction, but the subtraction is first on the left-hand side, you'll do that subtraction first. In the same way, if you have multiplication and division, if the division is first on the left of the problem, you'll do that first. So it's not always that multiplication comes before division. Some common mistakes that students make are that some students go left to right instead of using PEMDAS, or parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So don't forget to go in the order of the order of operations. Here's an example of when that could happen. Let's say we had the problem 3 plus 2 times 3. Some students will automatically go from left to right, and they'll add the 3 plus 2 to get a 5, and then multiply by 3. So they'll end up getting the answer 15. This is the wrong answer. You need to make sure that you avoid this mistake so you don't get the wrong answer for your order of operations. Another common mistake that students make is that they forget to simplify the parentheses first. Here's an example. If we had the problem 2 plus 3 times the quantity 5 minus 1, some students accidentally forget to simplify the parentheses and they add the 2 plus 3 first to get 5. So they would continue the problem, subtract 5 minus 1 to get 4, and then end up with 20 as the answer. This will also lead to an incorrect answer. You want to make sure you avoid that mistake too.